In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this icon of a photo and a paper clip at the bottom right corner. Hit audio at the top and look for your file here in one of those apps or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Either way, after you find it, you need to hold it and click select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video and do exactly the same, this time though select videos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!